In the previous classes, we have already discussed about the central metal atom in this example. Example we already taken, that is K4FeCN6. Okay, in this complex salt, this iron is one of the d block metals. It is acts like a central metal atom, and how it is central metal atom is all going to be studied in the previous classes. But in this class, it is going to be the study of CN6 times. It is nothing but the ligands. Okay, how to identify the ligands? Ligands are always represented in an open bracket like this. Okay, it means these are all nothing but the ligands. In this complex, total 6 ligands are present. That may be same or different, but in this example, all the 6 ligands are the same here. First, you have to identify or how to define this is ligand. Okay, ligand, it is originally derived from the Latin word that is ligate. Okay, actually the word is ligate, and this ligate means it is nothing but the to donate. Okay, to donate means these are the molecules or atoms. These are donating the lone pair of electrons towards the central metal atom. Therefore, these are also known as Lewis acid. According to the definition of Lewis acid base, acid means these are the lone pair donors. It means these cyanides are given the lone pair of electrons towards the central metal atom. How these are donating? You can representing like this. Iron is present in this, and 6 different cyanide molecules are coming in an octahedral geometry. Okay, here it is formation of the octahedral geometry. In this edges, these are the cyanide molecules. 6 different cyanide molecules, and all the cyanide molecules are having the lone pair of electrons. And these lone pair of electrons donated towards the formation of this ring-like structure, and this is also one of the reasons for high stability of this complex salt. And next we are going to be studying the types of the ligands and classification of the complex. But after identification of this ligand concept, next another one point is going to be identification, that is coordination number. Okay, it is one of the important factor in this complex studies, coordination number, and it is in short considered as CN number. Okay, this coordination number is nothing but the CN number for this complex, that is 6. How it is 6 coordination number? It means within the square bracket, it means within the coordination sphere, this central metal atom receiving the total 6 lone pair of electron. Due to this reason, its coordination number is 6. Similarly, you can consider the coordination number for the different examples. Okay, let us study one by one, and what is the coordination number for these complexes. Okay, first consider this is the complex COCl2 NH3 4 times, and outside the bracket another chlorine is present here. But how to identify the coordination number? Within this square bracket, how many ligands are present? That is the coordination number here. Okay, in this square bracket, first you need to identify the central metal atom. In this complex, what is the central metal atom? That is the cobalt. This cobalt is the central metal atom, and except this cobalt, the remaining things are nothing but the ligands here. Okay, just count the number of ligands irrespective of that nature here. That means chlorine 2 molecules. It means chlorine type ligands are 2, and this is ammonia, it is NH3, and this type are 4 here. It means 2 plus 4, total number of ligands is nothing but the coordination number. Therefore, here the coordination number is 6 for this complex. Similarly, we can solve the one by one examples. Again, it is another one complex K3FeCN6. Again, the important is within this square bracket. First, you need to be identify the central metal atom, that is as usual iron here. Except this iron, remaining things are nothing but the ligands. 6 directly same type of cyanide ligand. Therefore, again its coordination number is 6. And next example you can be consider, and you need not worry about the charges here. Just you have to concentrate on the square bracket. It is the coordination sphere. In this coordination sphere, again you need to be identifying central metal atom, that is D block element nickel, and what is remaining thing? Chlorine 4 molecules. It means its coordination number is 4. And similarly, can be continued cobalt. Again, it is 6. It means the coordination number is 6. And another example, CONH3 6 times. It means again coordination number is 6. Okay, by looking at these examples, some of the important factors you can be identifying here. Where there is the iron, its coordination number is compulsory, it is 6. Okay, any iron content irutade, those are all having the coordination number 6. And similarly, where there is a cobalt, okay, where there is a cobalt is the center metal atom, again its coordination number is 6. But where there is a nickel, nickel is also one of the d block metal, where there is a nickel, its coordination number is 4. Okay, it is also one of the important factor. This coordination number is fixed with respect to the particular metal. Okay, why it is fixed, that is going to be studied further parts of this chapter. But before going to those, have to be remember like this: where there is a iron, coordination number is any condition it is 6, and where there is a cobalt, again coordination number 6. Where there is a nickel, it's the coordination number 4. These are the points you can be extracted from this. Some examples you can be solved at home and give the comment section. The answer for these 1, 2, 3 and 4 can give the answer at the comment section of this video. Okay, first 3 are quite direct, you can be solved very easily, but the fourth one, okay, it is quite important, that is I will explain in the next video. Otherwise you can be try this fourth one also. For that, these are the 3 important questions. These are maybe appeared in the 1 mark question for next